Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting session where we focus on often overlooked but incredibly important parts of our body, our fingers. Are you ready to transform your fingers? Yes, you heard that right. Today, we're diving into exercises that will help you achieve leaner, longer, and stronger fingers. Today, I've got some exciting exercises to help you get leaner and longer fingers in just a week. These exercises are simple, effective, and can be done anywhere, anytime. First up, let's start with finger stretches. This is a great way to warm up your fingers and get them ready for more intense exercises. Hold your hand out, palm facing down, and gently stretch each finger upwards with your other hand. Feel the stretch along the length of your finger. Hold for 5 seconds and switch to the next finger. This helps in increasing the flexibility and range of motion in your fingers. Do this twice a day, and you'll feel the difference in no time. Consistency is key to seeing results. Next, we have finger lifts. This exercise is fantastic for building strength in your fingers. Rest your hand flat on a table and lift each finger one at a time as high as you can. This might seem simple, but it's very effective. Hold for a couple of seconds and then lower it back down. Repeat this for each finger. This exercise strengthens those tiny muscles in your fingers. Now, onto finger claws. This one is great for both strength and flexibility. Extend your hand and bend your fingers at the second knuckle, creating a claw shape. This might feel a bit challenging at first. Hold for 5 seconds and then straighten them out. Repeat this 10 times. You'll feel the muscles working. It's great for toning those finger muscles. You'll notice your fingers becoming more defined and stronger. Let's not forget thumb circles. Our thumbs are crucial for grip and dexterity. Hold your thumb out and make small circles in the air, both clockwise and counterclockwise. This helps in maintaining thumb flexibility. Do this for about 30 seconds on each thumb. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your thumbs agile. This exercise helps with flexibility and coordination. You'll find your thumb movements becoming smoother and more controlled. Another great exercise is finger taps. This one is excellent for improving finger speed and coordination. Tap your thumb to each fingertip, one at a time, as quickly as you can. This might feel a bit tricky at first, but you'll get the hang of it. Do this for a minute on each hand. It's a fantastic way to improve agility and dexterity. You'll notice your fingers becoming more responsive and quick. Now, for the finger pinch. This exercise is great for building grip strength. Use a clothespin or something similar and pinch it between your thumb and each finger. This might feel a bit tough initially. Hold for 10 seconds and repeat 5 times per finger. This builds strength and endurance in your fingers. You'll notice a significant improvement in your grip strength. Finally, let's do some finger presses. This exercise is excellent for building finger strength and resistance. Press your fingertips together, creating resistance, and hold for 5 seconds. This might feel a bit challenging, but it's very effective. Release and repeat 10 times. This exercise is excellent for building finger strength. You'll feel your fingers becoming stronger and more resilient. So there you have it. A comprehensive routine to help you achieve leaner, longer, and stronger fingers. 7 simple exercises to help you get leaner and longer fingers in just a week. Remember, consistency is key. Make these exercises a part of your daily routine. Do these exercises daily and watch your fingers transform. Thanks for tuning in. Your fingers will thank you for the effort. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Spread the word about finger fitness. Keep those fingers fit and fabulous. Remember, healthy fingers are happy fingers. Catch you in the next video. Stay fit and keep exercising.